Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I have a new wig from ISEE Hair. The packaging for this wig came so nice. I love the pink and glitter aspect, but the wig that I have today is a 26-inch Kinky straight unit. This is what it looks like straight out of the packaging. It looks really nice and full. You get a lot of hair with this wig. So I'm showing you now exactly how it looks. Now this wig was a little bit constructed differently than what I've had before. It actually comes with a drawstring, which was very nice. It does come with combs and clips in the front as well. So very secure for the install. You do also get an elastic band. So for my install today, I'm doing a very simple braid down. And of course, I left my leave out in a V parted leave out. Now this wig, another cool feature of this wig is the actual parting. The part of this wig is camouflaged with hair already, so it makes for very, very easy and natural blending. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and still do a leave out, but just a very simple leave out. So I'm installing this wig as you would normally. I'm just putting the clips in the areas that I want this wig to lay and just closing them shut to make sure that my install is super flat. This is how it looks. As you can see, the parting space there is really seamless. You could wear this unit without any leave out. I'm just opting to wear the leave out today because that's the style that I like, but you definitely do not have to with the way that this wig was created. Now here I am just admiring all the hair that came with this wig. It really looks like just blow dried hair. It's super long and full. I didn't get any tangling or shedding. Honestly, it just felt like regular old blow dried hair. It looked really, really nice. But now I am trying out, kind of testing out the new drawstring back. And this is how it looks once I have the drawstring back attached. I think my hair got a little bit flatter once I used the drawstring. I'm not sure, but all in all, the wig felt really secure. So whenever it comes to a kinky straight wig like this, I always add curls, very loose curls, because I don't want to really straighten the hair out. I still want all the volume, but just with curls added. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I have a larger barrel curling iron because the hair is so long. You get so much hair with this wig. The density is crazy on this unit. So if that's what you're looking for, this is definitely the wig for you. The end result is just a lot of body, fullness, volume everywhere. Looks really, really nice and natural. So definitely a plus for me. I love this unit. I love the texture of it. It definitely gives just natural hair. So again, I got this wig from ISEE Hair. The links are in the description box below if you want to check them out or purchase this wig directly. I do have that link down there for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think down below. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more easy and affordable beauty tutorials.